Ashrita, please unmute yourself and read this question.
Yeah.
Yes, Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read this question.
Pig is on the...
No. Ashrita, from the very first line, observe the following.
Okay, ma'am. Observe the following image and state whether the following statements are true or false.
Very good, Ashrita. You read it correct. Observe the following image and state whether the following statements are true or false. So you have to read these statements one by one, and then you have to decide whether the given statement is true or false. Okay, Ashrita, and what you have to do, children, you can see beside this question, this colorful image is given there where animals are there on the farm. So you have to observe this picture, and then according to that, you have to answer the question. Ashita, please read first bit now.
Pig is on the fence.
Okay.
Dash.
So this is pig is on the fence. Okay, thank you, Ashita. Thanks for reading this question. Now, children, you have to observe this picture carefully, and then you have to tell whether the pig is on the fence or not. Fence means you can see here. You all can see here this wooden boundary. This is known as fence. I hope you all can see here this wooden boundary. Ashita, I'll be asking you this question. You all can see this wooden boundary here. This is known as fence. Now they are asking pig is on the fence. Now on means like, okay, see here now. Let's say I have this water bottle and this AirPods, okay? Now, if I am keeping this AirPods above this water bottle, so I can say that AirPods is on the bottle, right? I can say this AirPod is on the bottle. On means it should be at its top. It should touch each other. Okay, this means on. But is that pig is on the fence? Is that pig standing on the fence? Is it true or false? Yes, Suryansh, please unmute yourself and tell me, pig is on the fence. Is it true or false? Suryansh, you need to unmute yourself. You need to unmute yourself, Suryansh. Yes, Suryansh. True or false?
True.
See here. Suryansh, look here. Is that pig standing on the fence like this? Like this AirPods is on the bottle when I am touching it. When I am keeping this AirPod above this bottle and touching it, this means on. Like you are sitting on the chair, right? So is that pig on the fence? Yes or no?
No.
No. So this statement will be false. This statement will be false, children, because that pig is not on the fence. So you will write here false. So you will write here spelling of false, F-A-L-S-E. False. You can make this F capital. So this will be false. First statement will be false. Ketan? Ketan?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read second bit.
Ma'am, I didn't see
Ketan, where is your book?
Ma'am, I didn't brought in book, man. Team 6.
Not I didn't brought. I didn't bring. Okay, please get it from your school, okay? In more than 3 days. And moreover, you are unable to see the screen also. Okay, fine. Vineet?
Ma'am.
Second bit.
Second bit, ma'am.
Yes.
Sun.
Sun
is
yes. Below
below the house.
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 This is sun is below the house. Okay, now look here. Below means, look here now. Like I have this AirPods in my hand, and in another hand I have this water bottle. Beneath, look here. So now this time AirPods is below the water bottle. Below means down. Now Beneath, look at the picture carefully and tell me that sun is below the house or above the house.
Below the house.
Beneath, below means down. Is that sun down the house?
No, up.
So this statement is true or false?
False.
Yes, because sun is not below the house. Sun is above the house. So this statement is false. Okay, so we will be writing here false. Yes, Tanvishree, please unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I done now only, ma'am.
This is page number 3 of your math course book, Tanvishree.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now next question. Veda, please unmute yourself and read third bit. Veda?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Cow is standing beside the fox.
Beside means next to. Beside means next to. Now, Veda, you tell me, is that cow standing beside the fox? Next to fox?
No.
Yes. So this statement will be false. Very good. Yes, children, now see here. Like I have this water bottle. Now look at the position. Okay, I have this water bottle in one hand. Now on another hand, I have this AirPods. This means that this AirPod is beside this water bottle. This time AirPods is beside this water bottle, or you can say that water bottle is beside the AirPods, right? So this is how beside means next to. Okay. But this cow is not standing beside the fox, so this statement will be false. 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 Okay. Now next statement. Arhan, please read fourth statement.
Clouds are in the house.
Clouds are in the house. This time the statement is clouds are in the house. Now children, in means inside. In means inside, like you all are keeping your stationery items like a pencil, eraser and sharpener inside the pencil box. So we can say that pencil is in the box. Like you all are keeping your books and notebooks in your school bag. So you will say my math course book is in my bag. In means inside. When you keep something inside, like you all, your mothers are keeping your clothes in the almirah. So you will say my clothes are in the almirah. In means inside. Okay. Now Arhan, you tell me, clouds are in the house. Clouds are inside the house.
Was.
Yes, clouds are not in the house. In means inside. In means inside. I repeat, like your mother is keeping your clothes inside the in the almirah. You all are keeping your books and notebooks in the bag. You are keeping your pencil, eraser and sharpener in pencil box. In means when you are keeping something inside. Okay. Okay, that's correct. Now next statement. Ayansh Gupta. Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayansh, please read last statement.
Last statement, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Rooster is standing between the duck, the cow.
Rooster is standing between the duck and the cow. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So now tell me, this statement is true or false?
False.
The statement is false. Is it? Okay, now, first of all, let us understand what do you mean by between. Okay, now let us see. Okay, Ayansh, I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine. Let us see. What do you mean by between? I need to take three things in my hand. Okay, fine. Let us take a smaller one. Okay, fine. Now, children, see here. I have these three things in my hand now: AirPods, water bottle, and clutcher. Now, if I talk about this water bottle is between this AirPod and this clutcher. Between means like, now try to understand what do you mean by between. I have this AirPod in one hand, water bottle, and third thing is clutcher. Okay, fine. So this water bottle is between this AirPod and this clutcher. Between means this. In the middle. Between means in the middle. Okay, fine. Now I'll give you one more example. Let us say, okay, let's take few shapes now. Let's say I have a star here, heart, and one question mark. Okay, I have this star, heart, and question mark. Fine. Now we can say that the star is between, sorry, heart is between question mark and star. Between means in the middle of. Okay. So this heart shape is between star and question mark. Fine. This means between. Now Ayansh, now tell me that rooster is between duck and cow. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, true.
Yes. So this statement is true. Now you gave correct answer, Ayansh. Very good. Okay. So the last statement will be true. So please write that correct spelling, children. T-R-U-E. True. Because that rooster is actually between cow and duck. So please write that true. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone? Okay, fine. So I'll clear this now. Okay, children, on the same page, that is on page number 3, we have one more question. This question number 6 now. So we'll be doing this question now. Okay. Now I want someone to read this. Bhavashrit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read this question.
Wait, tick the shapes that are
Divided.
divided into equal parts.
Okay. Take the shapes that are divided into equal parts. Fine. Now we have to put a tick on the shape that is divided into equal parts. Okay. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, children, fine. Now I have this paper in my hand. Okay, now see here. I have this paper in my hand and I have folded this paper. Okay, I have folded this paper one time. Now, I hope you all will be able to see it. Now, what happened when I folded this paper? I got this one line here. I got this one straight line here. So this straight line is actually dividing this paper into two equal parts, right? When I have, this was the paper and I have folded this paper like this, fine. Now, when I'll again open this paper, I can see that I got this straight line. So this straight line is actually dividing this paper into two equal parts, right? Fine. I can see that this paper is divided into two equal parts, but let's say now I have folded this paper like this. Okay. Now forget this line and just see this line. Only this one. Now is this paper divided into equal parts? No. This time this paper is not divided into equal parts. See this part, if I'll see this part is small, right? If we'll compare it to this part, right? So similarly, we have to see the given shapes whether they have been divided equally or not. Fine. Manha,
Yes, ma'am.
look at the first shape and then tell me whether it is divided into equal parts or not. That's smiley.
No, ma'am.
Smiley is not divided into equal parts.
No.
First picture is divided into equal parts, children. It is exactly equal. Okay, you can see this line. This line, this straight line is dividing it into equal parts. So this shape is divided into equal parts, Nana. Okay. See here, children, you can see this portion. No need to color it, okay? This portion and this portion, both are equal. Both are equal, okay? So we will put our tick here because this is divided into equal parts. Mana, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this shape is divided into equal parts. So we will put our tick on this smiley. Okay. Arohi. Arohi, now look at the second shape carefully. Arrow is there. Now tell me. We will put our tick on this shape or not? Yes, Arohi? Yes, we will put our tick on this second shape also because this is also divided into equal parts. Yes. Okay. Ayan, Puluru, please unmute yourself. Ayan, Puluru. Ayan is not there. Hanvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hanvit, now look at the third shape. And tell me whether this line is dividing this shape into equal parts or not.
Not.
Yes, yes, very good, Hanvit. Yes, children, if you will look at the third shape carefully, this line is not dividing this shape into equal parts because this portion, which I am shading now, this portion is smaller than this yellow color portion. Yes, you all can see that this yellow color portion is bigger than this red color portion. So this means that this line is not dividing the given shape into equal parts. So we will not put a tick on third shape. Yes, Ashrita?
Ma'am, we will also color.
No need to color. I was just trying to explain you. Okay, no need to color.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will not put a tick on third shape. Hayati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hayati. Now look at the fourth shape carefully. 3 lines are there. Now tell me, are these... Okay, first I'll color this just to explain you. This portion... Okay. This portion, 2 lines are there and these 2 lines are dividing the shape into 3 parts. Right, children? Now we have to see whether all these 3 parts are equal or not. Okay. So Hayati, you tell me this yellow part, red part and blue color part. Are these all equal?
No.
Very good. These parts are not equal. This means that this shape is not divided equally. So we will not put a tick on this fourth shape also. Okay. So only first 2 shapes are divided equally. So we will put a tick on first 2 shapes and last 2 shapes are not divided equally. So we will not put a tick on them. Fine. Yes. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Yes, children. Anyone? Okay, fine. So I will clear this. Okay, children. Now I want you all to open page number 4. Please open page number 4 of your math course book. Write date and class book on page number 4. Next page, page number 4. Write date and class book. Okay. Fine. Now what you have to do is you have to count into how many equal parts the given shape is divided. Okay. You have to count in how many parts each of the following shape is divided. Okay. Please write date and class work on page number 4, children. Okay, see here now. Again, I have this paper in my hand. I hope you all are able to see this paper. Suryansh, can you see this paper? Now, I have this paper in my hand. Children, you can see that there are 4 lines. Can you see these 4 lines here on this paper? Yes. First, second, sorry. 3 lines are there. And these 3 lines are dividing this paper into 4 equal parts. See here. 1, 2, and 3. We have here 3 lines, but these 3 lines are dividing this paper into 4 equal parts. First part, second part, third part, and fourth part. Right? So, in this way, we can count into how many equal parts the given shape is divided. Like this paper is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay? Now, let us see one by one. Okay, I'll tell you first one. Remaining, you all have to tell. Now, see the first shape. Let us count into how many parts it has been divided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first shape is divided into 8 equal parts. So we will be writing here 8 in the first blank. Okay. Fine. Pradiksha. Pradiksha, now look at Yeah, look at second bit and tell me into how many equal parts the second shape is divided.
1,
Okay, let us count it one by one, Pradiksha. Pradiksha, 1,
2,
then,
2,
okay, then this is 2, okay, then, yes, Pradiksha,
10, 11, 12, 13,
yes, Pradiksha,
yes, ma'am.
yes, into how many parts?
1, 6, 16.
1, 6, 16. Now let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay. So Pradiksha gave correct answer. The second shape is divided into 16 equal parts. So we will be writing here 1, 6, 16. That's the correct answer. Okay. Very good, Pradiksha. Sai Joshit, please unmute yourself and tell me into how many equal parts the next shape is divided.
4, ma'am.
Yes, next shape is divided into 4 equal parts, children. 1, 2,
2, 3,
3
4.
and 4. Very good. So next shape is divided into 4 equal parts. That's correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now next. Ayan Puluru, tell me next shape is divided into how many parts?
2,
Fourth shape.
4, 4.
Yes, it is divided into 4 parts. Siddharth. Siddharth. Siddharth, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, tell me fifth bit. Fifth shape is divided into how many equal parts?
2 parts. Ma'am, next one is also 2 parts.
No, Siddharth, this is not the right way. You need to answer only one question at a time. Yes, so fifth shape is divided into 2 parts. That's correct. Okay, next. Swarnika? Swarnika? Swarnika, are you there? Swarnika is not there. Rohit? Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit, tell me next shape, bit F. It is next shape is divided into how many parts? Bit F into how many parts?
5.
5.
4.
Rohit, look at this arrow carefully. Sixth bit I am talking about. Bit F.
2.
Yes, it is divided into 2 parts only.
1.
This arrow is divided into 2 parts. So we will be writing here 2. Okay. Tarini,
Yes.
next shape, bit G.
With G.
Yeah. Into how many parts?
4.
Yes, very good. This rectangle is divided into 4 parts. So we will be writing here 4. Sai Ritvik, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Next shape, bit H.
6th line. 6.
Very good. Next shape is divided into 6 parts. That's correct. Very good. That's correct. Sudhamsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sudhamsh. Next shape, bit I, second last. Into how many equal parts?
2.
Very good. Next shape is divided into 2 equal parts. So we will be writing here 2. That's correct. Very good. Okay. Tanvi Sri, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, Tanvi Sri, last shape.
0, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, children, last shape is not divided. So this means it is divided into 0 parts. Okay. So
Thank
we
you,
will
ma'am.
write here 0. You're welcome. Okay, children, I'll give you 30 seconds. Please note down these answers. And if you have already done this, then please check your answers. Okay. If you have already completed this, then please check your answers. And remaining children, please take out your ruler, or you can call it scale. Please take that scale and pencil in your hand. Yes, remaining children need to take scale and pencil in their hand. Yes, Ashrita?
Ma'am, we have to do page number 5 also.
What?
We have to do page number 5 also. I done page number 4.
Ashrita, wait for the instructions. Okay, I'll tell you which page you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, children. Yes, Suryansh?
Ma'am, finished.
Finished? Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, children. Now please open page number 6. Open page number 6. Open page number 6 of your math course book. Write date and classwork. Okay. Now, what we have to do here is, according to the instruction, we have to draw the line, and we have to divide the given shapes into equal parts, and then we have to color the 1/2 of each of the following. Okay, so we have to draw here one line in each shape, and then we have to divide it into equal parts. Okay, so first of all, we'll be dividing it into equal parts, and then we will be coloring 1/2 of it. Okay, so let us start now. We'll start with the first shape.